Don't get intimidated by everything. Even if you know nothing about anything, still go into the program confident, and you're going to learn everything you need to do.
If you're a mother, even of 1, 2, 3, or 4, you can still graduate.
All the late nights and the hard studying pays off at the end.
My advice to new students is don't take it too hard. Go in with an open mind.
Take it one day at a time.
Don't take things too seriously.
It's worth it.
It was a good time.
We would say it really does go fast. They weren't lying.
Get involved in as many extracurriculars as you can and check out the Student Success Center.